I'm going to show you how to fix Discord audio screen share not working. The first thing we're going to do is open up Discord. In the bottom left, you want to click the settings cogwheel. On the left, scroll all the way down until you see voice and video and click that. And under microphone and speaker, just ensure that your microphone is set correctly and your speaker is set correctly. Next, scroll down a little further until you get to streaming and then click on show advanced stream settings. Here you want to ensure that this bottom option here, use our advanced technology to capture your screen, is turned on, and also be mindful of this slider here, the stream attenuation strength setting. If this is all the way to the left or all the way to the right, this could be a reason why you're not getting any audio if people are talking. Once you've done that, in the right corner, right click on the taskbar here and then click open volume mixer. Here you also want to make sure that Discord is not muted. So move this slider to where you see fit. Once you've checked all these, you can now join Discord, share your screen as normal. And then what you want to do is right click here on your stream and then ensure that share stream audio is selected. If you're still having problems from here, we can close the stream, go back to our user settings in the bottom left, go back down to voice and video, and then on the left, click advanced, and then select reset all voice and video settings. You'll likely have to reconfigure a couple of settings once you've done this, but hopefully this is now fixed your issue. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.